Hey Cameron, it's Josh Fetzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. And before I get into content, I just want to compliment you on your site. I like the color scheme of like this pinkish reddish. I like that your pictures are high quality. Very nice fence, by the way. Yeah, it just looks like a pretty well put together site. But I also know that this site was built on Google My Business Profile. So I know that when you're creating your GMB, which is for the map pack here, they give you an opportunity to build a little Google website. So that's where this is from. So I'm going to show you how to optimize it, man. So the first thing that you want to go over is to your competition. So Fence Company St. Augustine. Where are your competition? Superior Fence Rail and Hardwick Fence. They're your number 2 competition. So on Hardwick Fence, I went ahead and from their website right here, I plugged in how many words are on their homepage. And it's important to know, 578. That's it. Where we really want to be, though, is around 1,500 words on that homepage. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots going through your content on your page looking for keywords. And the more content you have on your page, the more robots they send looking for those keywords. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? Well, the keyword is anything like Fence Company St. Augustine, Fence Installation St. Augustine, Wood Fence St. Augustine, Fence Contractor St. Augustine Fence Contractor, etc. So anything that's buyer intent with service niche related is a keyword, okay? So the second thing I want to go over is backlinks. And this is actually a tool called Ahrefs, a very useful tool. It is a paid tool, I will say. So if you're trying to do this for free, I know SEO Quake, SEMrush, those are a couple of free SEO tools that you could use. Ahrefs is just the most accurate. That's why I like to use it the best. So what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins the organic vote for that number 1, number 2 spot. However, it's really important to know that not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevancy to your industry and local websites will work best. The best example I can give is like, would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Best Fence, 100%, because you have nothing to do with pizzas, you know? So you, in your Ahrefs, you have 0 referring domains, 0 backlinks, 0 organic keywords, and 0 organic. So when I go into Hardwick's Ahrefs, they have 56 referring domains, 182 backlinks, DR12, UR27, and look at their organic traffic, 228. So I'm just going to run some quick numbers for you. This is just from being on Google with their website being that number 2 spot. If you just land 10%, and that's the low ball, 10% of that 228 people coming per month, what is that, an extra 20, 25 people, fences a month, you charge that times what you charge basic for fence installation, you're talking some pretty big bang for your buck. So the numbers are there, man. The third thing I want to talk about was citations. Citations is how you get ranked in this map pack here. So what is a citation? Citation is anything with what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number. So anywhere you put your name, address, or phone number in is considered a citation. These citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found all over Google and all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them, okay? So we don't want to just be on this front page. We don't even want to be on the second page or the third page. We want to be in this top 3. So when people are searching for Fence Company St. Augustine, Florida, your website is already on their mind here and here. All right. So just to go back over the 3 things we went over today, like I said, like your website, but it might be time to upgrade to a non-GMB one. You need to implement at least 1,500 words on that page and implement those high volume, low KD words that we were talking about earlier. So this is some Hardwick fences, some keywords that they're ranking for. Fence Company St. Augustine, 60. Fence Companies, Fence Installation St. Augustine. And then you can see the KD stands for keyword difficulty. They're relatively low and the volume is relatively high. All right, so rank for those keywords so you can start getting that traffic. The second thing was backlinks. You guys need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority. You deserve that number 1, number 2 spot. Show Google. All right. The third thing is citations. So you will need about 200 of these bad boys to be untouchable in this map pack. All right. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help start generating more leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we could talk about your goals and I could do the research to find out exactly what would be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask is that you leave me some feedback. Let me know how I did. Again, my name is Josh. Feel free to reach out to 904-383-8479. My door is always open. I really hope this video helps, and thanks for watching, Cameron.